In Greenland, every meal tells a harsh yet generous story where the sea and ice shape daily life for communities. From salted cod and creamy fish stews to musk ox roasts, flavors honor generations surviving brutal winters together. Wild herbs and crowberries lift seafood broths, turning simple ingredients into comforting bowls after endless Arctic days. Markets bustle with dried cod, smoked seal, and reindeer snacks as elders share legends between savory bites. Traveling diners leave with a sense that Greenland cuisine maps resilience, salt air, and the quiet, expansive landscapes.